So what's up guys, check out this strategy which you could use to promote your CPA marketing offers with the help of this AI tool called the InVideo AI. So you can actually take advantage of this platform to create cool and amazing ad videos which you could use to promote your CPA marketing offers right here. So I would like you to watch this video right now. Make sure you do stick on to the end and learn this amazing strategy which you could use to drive traffic to your CPA marketing offers. So without further ado and much waste of time guys, let's just simply jump right ahead into today's video. So first of all guys, you want to make sure you do have a CPA marketing offer in mind which you want to just simply go on to promoting. You may just want to come right here to CPA Grip. If you don't have an account, click on register. You'll be brought to this particular page right here where you do have to go on to filling out this form, and you want to make sure you focus more on the fields that are actually having these red asterisk signs, because it indicates the fields that are actually required for you to go on to fill in before your account can be created. You want to read this through these terms of services by clicking on that, and if they are actually okay with you, just simply come on to checking out all these boxes right here. Once you do check out these boxes, click on register now. Your account should be created almost immediately. Then you can then log into your account. Right here you could see I'm on CPA Grip, and just simply went onto the offer tools section. Click on this drop down arrow, click on my offers, and you'll be able to see offers that are actually available to a specific demographic. It is not necessary that you go on to promoting offers to the demographic which you see. You can actually go on to any demographic of your choice, promote offers to any country of your choice, and actually start promoting that. Right now I'm promoting offers to the United States, and if I do select this offer, I can see more details about this offer. That is a giveaway offer, so for $750 to spend towards a summer style, and my leads will actually have to come from the United States. They have to be using an Apple iOS device, and they actually have to just simply submit their email address and zip code by going through a survey using your unique affiliate link, which you could see right here, and you're going to get paid about $2.31. Once you actually do get a qualified lead, that is somebody that actually fill out all these criteria, that is coming from the United States using an Apple iOS device and submitting their email address or zip code using your unique affiliate link. So those are actually the criteria for you to actually get a qualified lead right here. So once you do get a qualified lead, you get $2.31 for each qualified lead right here. So how do you promote this particular offer with the help of this particular AI tool called the InVideo? So like I said earlier guys, you could use this AI tool to go on to creating some cool ad videos to promote your CPA marketing offers. You could just simply come right here and click, and as you can see, you could create publish worthy videos on day one. And guys, right here you could see that InVideo simplifies video creation with ready-made templates that you can quickly customize even if you've never done it before. You could gain access to a free account, and you don't actually need credit card details to input on this platform before you can create an account. You could see a tutorial video right here which you could go on to watching, and right here guys you could see more details about this AI tool, as it is one of the fastest and easiest way to create pro quality videos. As you do get 5,000 plus professional created templates, you do gain access to single quick shortcuts, and you can actually have access to AI tools to boost productivity and a lot more features of this particular platform. And if you want to know more about the pricing structure of this platform, click on pricing right here, where you'll be brought to this particular page right here. As you can see guys, you do get to pay about $400 for a lifetime business plan, but there are other plans right here which you could take advantage of. As you can see the free plan right here, but the limitation of the free plan, or the main dilemma right here, is that you do have a watermark on all your videos which you do create with the free plan. But for the business and unlimited plan, there is no watermark on videos right here. So you could actually check out features of each and every one of the plans which could enable you go on to purchasing one right there. You could just simply click on compare all features, and you'll be able to see all features of each plans right here, and that is actually an amazing tool. So once you actually do go on to creating an account with this tool guys, and you log into your account, to easily go on to creating a video guys, you just want to come right here and click on this AI text to video. Once you select that right here, you'll be shown some cool suggested templates which you could take advantage of. Supposing I want to use this template, I'm going to select this right here, and because I want to use this particular video for something right now, maybe I want to use it for YouTube videos as you are watching right here, I'm going to select the landscape, aspect ratio. If you want to use it for YouTube Shorts, select the 9:6 aspect ratio, which is the portrait. If you want to select the square, you can select that right here. So once I do select the landscape and click on use template right here, it's actually going to load up and bring me to this section where I can actually ask this AI to actually write a script for me. I can do that right here in this section, type out the topic which I want. I'm going to go on to writing a script for me. I could come right here to paste in my script if I already do have my script, or if I want to convert an article to a video right here, I'm going to paste in the URL of that article right here in this particular section. So guys, I'm just going to go on to taking advantage of AI tools out there like the ChatGPT to go on to generating some cool script right here which I want to convert to video that will help me promote this CPA marketing offer. And guys, right here guys, I just went on to asking ChatGPT to generate a call to action for a giveaway worth $750 to spend towards your summer style. As you can see right here, it actually has the details of this particular offer right now, and you can see what ChatGPT actually went on to generating. It says, enter for a chance to win $750 towards your ultimate summer wardrobe. Get ready to make waves this summer with a chance to win a fantastic $750 giveaway towards your sizzling summer style. Whether you're planning beach trips, poolside parties, or tropical adventures, this is your opportunity to revamp your wardrobe and make a fashion statement under the sun. And guys, you could see a lot more features right here which ChatGPT went on to imputing. It actually went on to adding some steps right here for that particular offer, which is to follow on social media, like and share this post, and spread the summer style love, then tag 3 fashion friends who need summer style upgrade. So right now I'm just going to come right here and just simply copy this text right here. And once I copy that guys, I'm going to head back to my Pictory AI platform and I'm going to paste that in this section. So basically guys, I'm going to go on to editing this particular steps to enter this offer right now. So the first step, I could just simply put in something like and share. I'm just going to take this to this particular section. Once I actually do change that right now, as you can see, this has actually been changed. Now for the second step, I'm just going to put in something about that CPA marketing offer which is click the link in this video description to complete a simple survey and win. And right now guys, once I'm done right here, I'm just going to click on create scene. You can see right now it says, hey, that's too much text for one scene. Do you want us to rearrange it for you? And I'm going to click on yes. And if I do go back right here and click on create scene, you can see right here is actually setting up my project, and it's going to go on to creating a storyboard. And in creating that storyboard, you're going to split my script into various scenes and select a video for each scene right here. As you can see right here, it says it's almost there, you want to stand by right now, and it's actually going to go on to analyzing my script, select a cool video for each scene, and I can actually take advantage of that. You can see right here it's already selecting cool and amazing videos for my scenes right here. So I'm going to pause this video until this AI tool is actually done generating my storyboard. So right here guys, you can actually take note that my storyboard has been created, and it actually went on to splitting my scenes into about 10 scenes right here, because if you do scroll you could see that there are about 10 scenes right now, and you can actually go on to editing this scene by clicking on this section and edit based on your preference. You could duplicate the scene or delete the scene. You could even go as far as adding your logo right here to this particular section. And supposing guys, I don't like the video in this scene, I'm just going to come right here to the video section right here, and I could just simply go on to selecting other videos right there which I could use for this scene. And guys, you may want to just simply use this search bar right here to search for videos that are actually related to a specific keyword which you are going to input. And right here guys, I could go on to the upload section to actually upload a video from my device and use for this particular scene. You could do similar thing right here for the images. For the music section, you could just simply go on to adding background music, and your music are actually filtered or categorized based on mood, genre, and SFX. You could search for a specific kind of music right here to use for that particular scene. You could come right here to this section, this bottom section right here, to add in voiceovers. You could come right here and add in text right here based on how you want your text to actually be. You could preview this particular scene if you do want right there. You could add in logos, elements, templates, and a lot more stuff right here. And guys, once you're done with this scene, you do have the opportunity to go on to changing the aspect ratio right here again, because if I do click on this, I'm going to be shown other aspect ratio option. And guys, once I'm done with this, I'm just going to come right here, click on this download icon right now, and you can see that it's loading up. So once it's actually done loading up, I will be able to go on to downloading this particular video in 720 pixel quality because I've not actually went on to purchasing the pro plan right here, which I do actually have to upgrade to. But right here I'm just going to use the 720 and click on export, and I'll be able to export this particular video, download it on my device, and actually do go on to promoting this particular video on as many social media platforms. A very cool platform which you could take advantage of is Facebook, because if you do go on to Facebook, guys, you can actually go on to setting for Facebook related groups that are actually related to the giveaway, and you can see a lot of giveaway groups right here where you could join and actually share those videos. And by guys, because we actually did add a call to action telling them to click on the link in the description of the video, you just want to make sure you put that link at the caption right there. That is the link to this your CPA marketing offer. If this link is actually lengthy, you can take advantage of this platform called the tiny URL to shorten your link for you, to give you a shorter version of that particular link. Then head on to platforms like Facebook to go on to promoting such social videos right there on your social media platform. Make sure the link is in the caption or in the comment section so that they can be able to gain access to that particular link and promote such offers. You may want to just simply target groups that are actually related to the United States and giveaway groups. You could target giveaway United States groups right here. Maybe if I do go on to type in giveaway the US, I've not been able to get a group that's only targeted for the United States giveaway groups, but I'm sure that there are actually a lot of United States people or people that actually reside in that particular demographic that are actually in such groups. So you're actually going to be getting some qualified leads to such CPA marketing offers. You could also take advantage of YouTube right here. Head on to YouTube, click on this plus icon, and go on to uploading this particular video on YouTube. And if you do upload that video on YouTube, guys, you want to make sure that that link is made available in the description of the video, just like how you've actually told them right there to go on to checking out the description of the video. And once they actually do go on to checking that, guys, they will be able to go on to completing such offers, and you do get paid some cool affiliate commission once you do get a qualified lead, about $2.31 per qualified lead. So this is an amazing strategy which you could take advantage of right now to make use of the InVideo right here to promote your CPA marketing offers. So guys, I hope this video has been of help to you. If yes, why not go on to smashing the like button, subscribe to this channel, and make sure your notification bell is turned on all. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, guys, and goodbye.